During the summer, you might see high and low tide times in your weather forecasts. But what are tides? Tides are the change in the ocean water level. Each day, there are typically 2 high and low tides, usually occurring about 6 hours apart. The change from low to high tide is called the flood tide. The change from high to low tide is called the ebb tide. Tides result from the pull of gravity between the Earth and Moon, between the Earth and the Sun, and the Earth alone. The gravitational pull of the Sun is 178 times stronger than the pull of the Moon on the Earth. But since the Moon is closer to the Earth, the tidal pull by the Moon is over twice that of the Sun. The result of the tidal pull is a bulge in the ocean water almost in line with the position of the Moon. One bulge towards the Moon and one that is opposite. When tides occur, we are basically seeing the results of the Earth rotating under this bulge. The change of water level varies from location to location due to different shaped shorelines and the depth and configuration of the sea floor. So some locations may only experience one high and low tide a day, called a diurnal tide. The orbit of the Moon also contributes to the variation of tides. If the Moon is at its closest to Earth, tides will be higher than normal. When the Earth, Moon, and Sun are in line with each other, we see a resulting spring tide, where the height range between high and low tides is the most. Typically, 7 days later, the Earth, Moon, and Sun are at right angles, and the resulting tide is called the neap tide. It has the smallest height range between high and low tides. Watch Mr. Weather's World every Weather Wednesday to learn something new.